Morning everyone, I welcome all of you in today's lesson. In today's lesson we learn about personal pronouns in German language. Let's see what all personal pronouns in German language and how we are going to use that. The first one is ich. Ich means I. Tu. You informal. In Hindi we call tum. Yeah, tu. Er, he. Sie, she. Es, it. Wir, we. Ihr, you all informal. Like we say tum sab, sie, they, and Z capital, U formal. That is for plural as well and as well as U formal. Z capital. It remains always capital. Let's see personal pronouns. Ich, I. Du, you informal tum. Er, he. Sie, she. Es, it. Wir, we. Ihr, you all informal tum sir. Sie, they. Z capital, U formal are. These all are the plural personal pronoun. These all are the singular. Let's see. Ich heiße Tom. I to be called Tom. Du spielst Fußball. You play football. Er sieht Fan. He watched TV. Sie liest ein Buch. She read a book. So personal pronouns: ich, I, du, you informal tum. Er, he, sie, she, es, it, wir, we, ihr, you all informal, sie, they, Z capital and U formal are. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, any concern, just write us. Have a nice day.